Okay, I'm going to show you a quick screencast on how to submit your CEUs. If you have any ICC certifications, you have to renew them every 3 years, and you do that by acquiring CEUs over the course of that time. So what ICC wants to do is see that you're keeping up with knowledge in the industry and you're keeping up to date. And so this is continuing education unit. So you go to iccsafe.org and you're going to log in. So you're going to click here, this little lock symbol. And if you don't have an ICC account, you're going to need to get one here. But if you did sign up and pay for a test, you would have made one already. So I'm going to type in my email here. Okay, now that just popped in. I entered my email and password. This little lock is now unlocked, signifying that I'm in. I'm going to click on my ICC. That's where I need to go to get to my account. And sometimes it does this. It makes you log in again. I don't know why it keeps doing this to me too, but okay, so I had to re-enter my email password. I'm in. So you have your dashboard here. This is all of your activity, your contact info, blah, blah, blah. So this is all my stuff. And you can see I actually need to renew 6 certifications. I'm not going to probably do that. I'm just going to keep taking the test and keeping our material updated. So I just leave them like that. But for the CEUs, I'm going to go to my CEUs here. See this? I'm going to click here. And you have to have an actual certification to be able to renew one. So somebody might come here looking for this button and they don't have it. Well, if you don't have any certifications, you have nothing to renew, right? So it's not going to be there. But anyway, when you do have something to renew, you're going to be able to submit CEUs. So we're going to do that now. Okay, you're going to click the option. Now if you're doing a course with us, you're going to do 3, 4 here, this option here, because we are an ICC preferred provider, okay? And you're a student and you're doing an online class with us. So you're selecting that. This is a drop down. Man, there's probably maybe 1,000. I don't know. There's so many companies. Just start typing in SI search. We're here. We're an approved provider. Let's see here. So now that you've entered in SI search, you notice that all of our available courses populate here. Right now they're all up here, okay? And we'll continue to update this and submit new courses when we add them. If you did Special Inspector General Requirements, that's a freebie from us, okay? 2 hours right there and it's free, okay? You'd be a student. Any of our paid courses are going to be a lot more. For example, all of our ICC Special Inspection paid courses, they're a minimum of 20 hours, fireproofing. That's the only one though. All the other ones are 25 to 30. So masonry and bolting are actually 25, and then the rest are 30 at the time of this filming. Although masonry and bolting will probably add more content to get to the 30. So you're basically going to be getting about 30 hours with us with those courses. You know, when we're going to be adding smaller courses like ACI, Field Testing Level 1. That may be only about 7 hours or so, but still, you're going to get a lot of hours with any course you do with us for the price you're going to pay. So if you ever become in a pinch or something like that, you can come to us, you know, and get a bunch of CEUs. So like concrete, 30 hours. You know, if I only had one ICC certification, I believe it's 2.5 credit out, 2.5 CEUs, full CEUs that I need. So that's basically an equivalent of 25 hours. Well, one of our courses would cover that, right? In the examples I just showed you. So anyway, it's going to auto-populate. You're going to see all the CEUs you get with us. Then you certify that this is accurate and you're telling the truth. And then boom, you're going to save it. And now you have all of those CEUs. I'm not going to do it because I don't need to do that. But that is how you do it. That's how you submit for CEUs in your account. And that's how you find us and submit with ours. It's simple as that. If you have any questions, just write us. We're here to help you in any way we can. Thanks.